Hello. It's occurred to me that many of my videos of late have had a political theme to them. Part of the reason of that has been that it's an election year, 2008. In November, we choose the next president. So, in a sense, it's important. It's important because if you look at history, a lot of times who you choose makes certain decisions. And so I'm going to be probably having more videos of this nature as we learn more things. So eventually I hope to be getting more into things of entertainment and art and music or whatever. But for this year, there'll probably be a number of political things, bringing out different aspects of the various candidates. So bear with me, and we'll get through this year. And the interesting thing is, this year when you choose in November, you have a chance to change history. Just look at the candidates and what do they represent and what do you want. If you want to win, it's your turn to choose. You don't have to worry about predicting the future. You can make the future. Make it what you want. And that's my message for today.